list. Anyone having such type of people in your list?
Yes, sir.
Yes, friends. Can you please just
Yes, sir.
spell out the number in the chat window? Sir, I have in my life only these 5 members are there. Just only number. I want to see, actually. I want to tell some important point for you people. Anyone? Just spell out the number. Sir, with in my life, with these 3 members, 4 members, Murali is telling, yeah, good, excellent. What about remaining? Please, each and every person. If you are not having any such type of person, add 0. No issue. 1, 4, 2. Yeah, 0, Raju. Yes, excellent. Yeah, few. Okay, no problem. Yes, excellent. Yeah. Still, what about remaining people? Just respond. That thing must be important, man. Interaction is very important. If you respond, if I explain, then it's going to be connected with you people. Yeah. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay. Yeah. Remember that. Remember one important point for you people. Yeah. Excellent. Excellent. So, the people who are telling 0, it seems most of the time, our long journey students, it seems. Long journey students. Okay. Like, anyway, just aware. I attended one business seminar. Business seminars. Usually, I will attend workshops to learn something. Okay, it's a very common thing for me. One day, he gave the same assignment to every student who is there in that session. My mentor gave. How many people you are not having talks? The relationship is not up to the mark and so on, he told. Then, so I kept two numbers I want to talk, 2 members I want to talk, 2 number. Then he told only one point. The people whose number is not 0, you're never going to succeed in your business. Okay, if you are having at least one enemy or one relation is not up to the mark, you're never going to succeed in your business. You should be like Ajata Shatru. The person who is not having any enemies, sir. Such type of person like you should be. That thing must be important. This is the thing what he told.